The R500 LVLP spray gun kit stands out with its sleek new black color, offering an ergonomic design that is both visually appealing and practical for long-term use. This comprehensive kit comes equipped with everything you need to start painting right away, including an air regulator and a water-oil separator. With additional nozzle sizes provided, the spray gun can deliver a soft, superfine mist suitable for a variety of surfaces, extending the service life of the sprayer. Boasting up to 65% high transfer efficiency, it ensures a smooth finish with less paint, while the dual trigger feature reduces operating fatigue. The use of stainless steel nozzles, brass air caps, and a corrosion-resistant polyethylene cup makes this spray gun both durable and easy to clean. Versatile in its application, this spray gun is suitable for home DIY projects, automobile painting, carpentry, and even yacht building, making it a valuable tool for various painting needs.